In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add trust badges on your product page on Shopify. Let's get started right away since I don't want to waste your time. So you want to sign into your account. Next up, click on apps right here. Okay, once you're here, you want to click on visit the Shopify App Store. So for this, I'm just going to show you the easiest way. I'm not going to show you how to do this with complicated code stuff or anything like that, basically. So you want to go to the Shopify App Store and then search for trust badges, okay? Hit enter, and then we're going to download an app, which is this app right here. So you can choose from all of these, but I recommend this one. It has a 4.8 star rating, it's free, and it has over 2,300 reviews, so that seems to be a good one. You're going to click on it, you can click on add app right there. Okay, so we'll just have to wait for that. It's then going to send you over to the page where you can actually add it. So install app right there. Next up, it should actually send us over to the page where you can add the checkout and trust badges. Okay, here we are. So first of all, you want to make sure to have the trust badges status on. So don't turn this off, it's not going to work. Make sure that it's on. Next up, you can add different icons. So you can see all of these different payment processors. You can click on edit icons and you can add all of them or unadd the ones that you're not accepting. Let's say that you accept Bitcoin, you click on Bitcoin right there. And that's pretty much how this works. Okay, so go through all of these. Maybe you accept Stripe, you then select that one as well. Maybe you don't select these, you then unadd them, and that's pretty much how this works. Next up, you can customize the icon colors and the text color. So you can do that by clicking here and then clicking on a color, and you'll see that these will actually change as well. So you can make them red, you can make them, let's see, blue, green, you get the point. So I'm just going to go with black for now, and all you need to do next is just make sure that this is enabled and make sure that you actually save it. So you can see right now that it's in progress and it's currently saving my settings, and once that's done, I'm going to show you the product page and I'm going to show you that this will actually show up. And there we go. So next up, I'm going to go to my online store and I'm going to show you what this actually looks like. So don't pay attention to my store. This is just a random store I set up for making these videos. If I now scroll down, it should actually show up. There you go. Check out securely with, and then you have all of these. So that's how you can actually do this. If you appreciate this quick tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.